Anyway, for wire, I took some landscape staples, galvanized, and straightened them like this. And what we'll do here, we're leaving the wire that's already on here, right there, that this middle flap went to. And I just put one of those landscape staples in here instead. And we'll just secure this wire to this one here, which is already connected to the frame. And then I slid another landscape staple, wire, after straightening, and I put it in here, and it's in there right now. And that's going to secure, I believe, to the back of this. Here's a flap for the bottom of the seat here, which has to go through here. Okay. Before I do that, I'm going to add some hog rings first. Okay. Because we got to secure this flap. Alright, so first you just, find out where the metal is, and you just squeeze. Okay, there's one in place. I'm not a professional here, so let's put one here on this end. Right here. Now, maybe saying, don't you add the hog rings later? When you're putting it to the wire? Yes, you do. If you're a pro. I'm not a pro, like I said. So we're doing it this way so that we're going to use zip ties next. So we've got to get this cover over the foam. They put string in here. Not sure why, because we're going to add some wire in there, in that seam, like we did on the passenger side. So anyway, we got to get this in here first. Oh yeah, we had, this one had a slot for the flap, but I still had to cut it here at the bottom. So just be careful about cutting it, that you get it in the right spot. This is where the cable ties will come in handy, I hope. The flap was here. Where'd it go? Is it still here? Yeah, good. Okay, so now, run our cable ties through. If you don't want to use cable ties, well, I think your job is going to be much, much more difficult than what I'm doing here. Now, is this job going to last? I don't know. But what I'm doing is I'm threading the cable ties through the hog rings one at a time. So here's some right here that's going on. I want to trim some of it, probably with some scissors. Or tuck it under, whatever. Maybe I can tuck it under here. Maybe I can tuck it in under over here a little bit too. I don't know yet. We'll see. Try it. Yeah. Alright. What the heck? Okay, now, looks like we're ready for our frame. And basically, we're going to mount it somehow. So, what do we got here? So here's a wire that goes through the frame here. Okay, so we got all that in right now. And now comes the moment where we pull the flap. So let's get started tightening. Seat over these lips here around this round part. But this is only temporary. It ain't going to want to stay, and it's not so far. Okay, but we'll humor it anyway. Here's a flap right here that you got to run a wire through, so I'll just run this through here. Should go in. Okay. Okay, it's almost all the way through. Another hole. Basically, we're just enlarging it so we can get the metal through here. Like I said, there's no instructions that I could find that tell you how to do this, okay? And there, it's finally, it looks like it's ready to go through. Just shove it in there. I think we're good. Okay, now get some hog rings. We'll start a hog ring right about here then. Okay, just put one in here somewhere. Alright. Alright, once again, grab one of your shorter cable ties. I think I did it too tight. Okay, we're good. Alright. Okay, we're going to do one right about there then. Okay, good. Okay. Alright, now, here's our metal again. Check to see if it's correct. It looks correct. Shove that in there. There you go. Just need some more hog rings. Okay. One in the middle for each one here. Okay. Not the end of the world, but we'll do it eventually. Always start in the middle if you can. Maybe one on the other side here a little bit. Okay. Nice. Alright, we'll just leave it like it is for the moment, in case we have to do any more adjusting here.